In TypeScript projects, we all use those long and confusing reality paths in the import statement. To tackle this, we will be using paths configuration in tsconfig.json file. Let's check the example. In this Angular project, we have one auth service file inside core and services folder, and in pages, we have one logging component, and in dashboard component, we have one home component. And now we will import the auth service using reality path in home component as well as in the logging component, like this. The common pain point here is, if I update the path of auth service here, for example, if I take it out of the services folder and move it inside the core folder, then I need to update the components where it is imported. So we need to change the path in every component where it is imported. So sometimes it becomes very hassle to update components one by one. So for this we will use path configuration in tsconfig.json file. Now we will go to the tsconfig file that is present at our root. So first of all we will set the base URL. Now we will set here .src so that the module lookup will be started from src folder. Path configuration will be added under the compiler option. Added services custom alias is mapped to the services folder inside app code directory. The aliases are followed by wildcard asterisk sign that represent that these aliases can be used for any files that are within this specified directory. So as of now, we are assuming that all our services will be under the services folder. So we have created one alias added services and mentioned the path here for the services folder. So now we will go to our component. So instead of writing the reality path here, we will write a custom aliases that we have mentioned in the path configuration. So we will be writing here added services. So it is imported here, and in login component also we will remove the reality path and use the custom alias services. Now if we want to move auth folder somewhere else, or we want to change its parent directory, for example as of now auth folder is inside services directory and we want to change it, so we will move it under the utils that is also under core directory. Now we will see that all the components where it is imported is started throwing error because we have mapped the @service alias to the services folder. So instead of updating like in the previous example, we have updated all the components. So if we use path, we will only update the alias path. We will write here utils. Okay. So now if we will check the components, error will be gone. So this is the benefit of using path configuration. We can create as many aliases we want as per our convenience.